All right, guys, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you guys are watching this video from. But yeah, welcome to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually turn any image into a 3D print STL file and get it ready for 3D printing. I'm going to be using this image right here. And this is just a plain, simple drawing that anybody could draw, as you guys can see. But yeah, let's say your nephew or a loved one or your kid drew something, for example, this drawing right here, and you guys want to bring this to life. So we're going to be going to Tripo 3D. And before we go even further, I just want to show you guys the pricing on this as well. So you do not have to pay a subscription. You can actually just go with the basic $0 a month, and you get 300 credits monthly. So that's not actually bad. If you guys want to go professional, it's $15.9 a month, which is actually 3,000 credits monthly. And moving on with the higher choices, the advanced is $39 a month, which you get 8,000 credits. And for the premium, it's $111 a month. All right, so once you guys sign up and everything, all right, so it's going to bring you to this page right here. So this is pretty much your home screen. Once you sign up, then all you're going to want to do is just go right here where it says image to 3D. Just click on it, single image. Then all you need to do from here is just drag and drop the image that you want to turn into a 3D STL file. There you go. And generate. So it's going to cost $25. Now just give it a minute or two. And here it is. It actually looks pretty cool. And from here, you guys can also choose the format of the file that you guys want to save it to. And under custom, you can also choose all these other options here, but we're going to go with 3D printing, and we're going to go with STL. Then all you need to do is just hit download. And here is the model, guys. So this is pretty much ready to go for 3D printing. Now, Tripo 3D is not perfect. So as you guys can see, from the image, it was just showing one horn that was on the side, which is pretty much like this. So like right here. So as you guys can see, I mean, Tripo 3D did nail the image. Horn was not in the center of the head. It was like actually on the side. So Tripo 3D nailed it with that. But as you guys turn it right here, it actually has two horns that Tripo 3D generated as a model. But you can always just retry regenerating the image on Tripo 3D. But yeah, I mean, it's just crazy how you can turn any image now into an actual 3D model. And that was actually for free. I mean, like before, if you didn't know how to 3D model, I mean, you were pretty much just stuck in the mud. But I mean, now you can just draw or sketch your 3D modeling ideas, get it on your laptop or computer, and just go on Tripo and just upload that image and just click to image to 3D, and Tripo will generate your image and turn it into an actual 3D model, which is crazy. And here is that image in a 3D model. So I 3D printed it with my Bambu Lab P1S, and it came out awesome. I mean, look at this. So as you guys can see, on mine, it does not have the two horns. I had it regenerated, and it finally gave me an option of just one horn on the head. But of course, the horn is on the side, but it is shown on the actual image that it is on the side. So I mean, Tripo 3D honestly nailed it. But yeah, I mean, it's very cool how you can just use an image and turn it into a 3D model with the help of Tripo 3D. Now again, personally, I do not use Tripo 3D a whole lot because I do actual 3D modeling. And by the way, the 3D modeling software that I use for my 3D modeling is Shaper 3D. And I also use Blender a little bit here and there. But yeah, if you guys don't have much experience with 3D modeling, I mean, I would not let that hold you back for being creative. And you guys have ideas that you guys want to bring to life. Again, don't let that hold you back. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay inspired. Peace.